Hi everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing the examples of autosomal dominant and autosomal recessive disease. Autosomal dominant the mnemonic is AAFF HHH LMMM Okay. A for achondroplasia, autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease. F for FAP, familial adenomatous polyposis and familial hypercholesterolemia. Then HHH is for hereditary hemorrhagic telangiectasia, also known as Osler-Weber-Rendu syndrome, hereditary spherocytosis, and Huntington's disease. Then from L we have leaf from many, that is the TP53 gene. M for Marfan syndrome, Men syndrome, myotonic dystrophy. N for neurofibromatosis 1 and 2, and T for tuberous sclerosis, V for von Hippel syndrome. Let's remember again by seeing only the mnemonic. Achondroplasia, autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, FAP, familial hypercholesterolemia, hereditary hemorrhagic telangiectasia, and hereditary spherocytosis. Then we have the Huntington's disease. Then leaf from many Marfan's, men's myotonic dystrophy. Myotonic dystrophy and Huntington both are the autosomal dominant diseases. And then N neurofibromatosis, T tuberous sclerosis, V is for von Hippel's. Now we come to the autosomal recessive examples. Autosomal recessive we have mnemonic. Oh, please, can students who score high grades tell me the features of autosomal recessive polycystic kidney disease? From O, we have oculocutaneous albinism, P for phenylketonuria, C for cystic fibrosis, S for sickle cell disease, W for Wilson's disease, S for sphingolipidosis except Fabry's disease, and H for hemochromatosis, G for glycogen storage disease, T for thalassemia, M for mucopolysaccharidosis except Hunter's disease, F for Friedreich ataxia, K for Cartagena syndrome, and A for autosomal recessive polycystic kidney disease. Let's come to the mnemonic. From O, we have oculocutaneous albinism. Then P is for phenylketonuria, CAN, cystic fibrosis, students S for sphingolipidosis. Then we have Wilson's disease, then we have sickle cell disease, then we have hemochromatosis, glycogen storage disease, and then we have thalassemia, mucopolysaccharidosis, Friedreich ataxia, Cartagena syndrome, and autosomal recessive polycystic kidney disease. So, how we will remember? Like all the metabolic diseases, remember Wilson's and hemochromatosis together. Okay, Wilson and hemochromatosis. Then we have sphingolipidosis, mucopolysaccharidosis, and glycogen storage disease. 5 diseases covered. Then we have phenylketonuria and cystic fibrosis. 6 and 7 diseases covered. Then the hematopoietic diseases, which are autosomal recessive, are sickle cell and the thalassemia. Okay, and the other ones which are left are like Huntington's and myotonic was autosomal dominant, but Friedreich ataxia is autosomal recessive. So that is in the nutshell how we will remember this. I hope you will find it useful. If you like my content, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.